Yes, I most welcome to all of you to my grammar classes. Dear student, as I told you, subordinate classes are more. We should understand all of them with regarding examples, related examples, or suitable examples. Otherwise, you could not. Okay, let us see. Shall I continue from because? Because is also a subordinate class. See the example. He died because he was careless. Why he careless? Because of his careless he died. See, he died because he was careless. He was careless, dependent, and he failed independent. It means he failed main class because he was careless. Because he was careless, that is independent, dependent class. It means subordinate class. It joins with main class by subordinate class because. Let us see as. Here, as I use the reason. Why? What for? Because like that. As reason. Like, as he was careless, he failed. See, this is adverbial class. This is adverbial class. As he was careless, he failed. He failed. He failed is main clause. As he was careless, subordinate class. And also I mentioned the particular name also. This is adverbial class. Okay. So, as he was careless, he failed. I used as at first. Okay. And as. Here as I used when. Here I used as for reason. Why? Here I used then. As the sun rise, as the sun rose, the fog disappeared. See that? As the sun rose, this is past, or we can call this is our subordinate class. The fog disappeared. Main class. The fog disappeared. As the sun rose, the fog disappeared. It means when the sun rose, the fog disappeared. It means as the sun rose, the fog disappeared. So here as I used in the meaning when. Here as I used reason. Try to understand this one. Okay. Then till. Next subordinate conjunction is till. Here also I used in two meaning. Till means I shall wait till he come. I shall wait till my friend come. See, I shall wait till he come. I shall wait till he come. This is dependent. I shall wait. I shall wait till he come. Till my friend come. Till he come. See that here until. Until is used to stress our expressions. Until is used to stress our expressions. I shall not go out until my beloved comes. I shall not go out until my beloved comes. So, see that this stress my feelings. I shall not go out until my beloved comes. Second one, until. See that until my mother comes, I shall not go out. You can use until also. Why? In what time you can use at first? See that we must not use not in the subordinate class beginning with until. So until my mother comes, I shall not go out. I shall not go out. Third example, you see. I shall not go out until my mother arrival. See this? Until. I shall not go out until my mother arrival. Don't say my mother come. No. My mother arrival. See, we must not use not in subordinate class beginning with until. Okay. After. After is also another subordinate class. I shall talk with my friend after he comes. I shall talk with my friend after he comes. I shall talk with my friend after he comes. See there. After means nantara. I shall talk with my friend after he comes. See that before. Before is also another important subordinate conjunction. See here. I shall not go out before my parents return. My parents return. I shall not go out before my parents return. My parents return. Unless. See the unless. This is also another important subordinate conjunction. Unless you study hard, you cannot pass. Unless you study hard, you cannot pass. See that slide. Next one. Though the doctor tried his best. Though the doctor tried his best, the patient died. Though the doctor tried his best, the patient died. The patient died is main class, independent class. Though the doctor tried his best, this is dependent class, means subordinate class. Though the doctor tried his best, the patient died. Though argue. See, he failed, though he studied hard. He failed, though he studied hard. He failed, though he studied hard. Even though he studied hard, he failed. So, he failed, though he studied hard. Next, which is also very important subordinate class, with the help of which we can construct subordinate classes also. Let us see. I asked which of them was able to do that work. I asked main class. Which of them was able to do that work? This is complete. This is complete dependent class. Which of them was able to do that work? See, this is subordinate class. This is main class. So, main class joined by which to subordinate class. Here you see. I asked her which color she liked. I asked my friend. I asked my friend which color she liked. Which color she liked. I asked her which color she liked. I asked her, or I asked my beloved which color she liked. Listen, whose is also another one. Subordinate conjunction. She asked me. Whose son would go to America? She asked me. Whose son would go to America? Whose son would go to America? She asked me. My friend asked me. She asked me. Whose son would go to America? Whose son would go to America? Next, what is also subordinate conjunction? We can construct subordinate classes with the help of what also. I asked what he wanted. I asked what he wanted. I asked what he wanted. I asked a class. What he wanted is subordinate class. What he wanted is subordinate class. Okay, listen, last. Most probably you will never see the last in some grammar books. You can understand. Last means they iruvante. In the same day. In the same way. We have to take care. Jolly ಬೀಳದಂತೆ ಹಾಗಾಗದಂತೆ like that. Next, ದೇಗಿರುವಂತೆ ದೇಗಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ. See, he walks slowly lest he should fall. He walks slowly lest he should fall. ಅವನು ಜಾರಿ ಬೀಳದಂತೆ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He walks slowly lest he should fall. Dear students, one more important thing I would like to share with you. Please learn English grammar with the help of your mother tongue. With the help of your mother tongue. Otherwise, you can't understand exact, accurate meaning of some words and statements also. When you understand the English grammar with the help of your own mother tongue, see, mother tongue influence is more than enough to understand the English grammar. That is why please try to learn English grammar with the help of your mother tongue. See, he walks slowly lest he should fall. He walks very slowly with fear. Why? Lest he would fall. He would fall. If he walks fast without taking any care, without taking any instruction, really he would fall. He fell out. That is why he walks slowly with care lest he should fall. Like this, I would like to end this subordinate conjunctions today. From tomorrow onwards, I will take the compound conjunction. That is the last division. Or else, the 9 sub-classifications are also there, no? In subordinate conjunctions only, the 9 subdivisions also there, 9 kinds also there. I will explain all those 9 subdivisions. I already explained coordinate conjunction and its subdivisions. Correlative conjunction I already explained. Subordinate conjunction today I completed. So tomorrow I will explain the subdivisions of subordinate conjunctions. 9 subordinate conjunctions also there. Afterwards I will go to compound conjunctions. See. Okay? Thank you children.